Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that a lot of you have been asking about recently: how much can you get per day in Relay Bank? Before we get into the specifics, I want to take a moment to talk about what Relay Bank is and how it works. Relay Bank is a digital bank that offers a high-yield savings account. This means that your money can grow faster than it would in a traditional bank account. Relay Bank is also a great option for people who are looking for a convenient and easy-to-use banking experience. You can access your account from anywhere in the world using the Relay Bank app or website. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get into the meat of the matter. How much can you get per day in Relay Bank? The answer to this question depends on a number of factors, including the amount of money you have in your account, the current interest rate, the number of days you have the money in your account. Here's a breakdown of how the interest rate works. Relay Bank offers a variable interest rate. This means that the interest rate can change over time. The current interest rate is 0.85%. This means that you will earn 85 cents on every $100 in your account each year. To calculate how much you can earn per day, you need to divide the annual interest rate by 365. For example, if you have $1,000 in your account, you would earn $8.50 in interest each year. This means that you would earn 2 cents per day. Here are a few other things to keep in mind. The interest rate is compounded daily. This means that your interest will earn interest on itself. You can withdraw your money from your account at any time. There are no fees associated with using Relay Bank. So, how much can you really get per day in Relay Bank? The answer to this question depends on your individual circumstances. However, you can use the information in this video to estimate your potential earnings. Here are a few tips for maximizing your earnings. Deposit as much money as you can into your account. Avoid withdrawing your money too often. Keep an eye on the interest rate and make sure you're getting the best possible return on your investment. In addition to the interest rate, there are a few other benefits to using Relay Bank. It's a safe and secure way to save your money. It's a convenient and easy-to-use banking platform. You can access your account from anywhere in the world. Overall, Relay Bank is a great option for people who are looking for a high-yield savings account. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of how much you can get per day in Relay Bank. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.